now we will introduce the pressotherapy. Okay, this is the jacket, and this is the pants, and this is the eye massage, and the main cases. Okay, next step we will install the silt. Please mention this mark and the mark on the machine. Okay, for example, 2, we should match to 2, and then this mark should be up, and then insert. When you want to remove it, just pull out. It's okay. And the next step, we will install the far infrared function. And please pay attention to this hole, these 2 holes, and this is 4 holes. And then we should match the correct holes and then insert. For example, 2 holes match to these 2. And last step, we should tie it. And the 4 holes, please match to this hole. Last step, tie it. And another 2 is the same beside of the machine. Okay, last one, we will install the eye massage function. Okay, just match the hole and tie it. That will be okay. Okay, when we start the machine, we will enter into the languages option. We choose English. In this screen, we can choosing the modes. There are total 4 modes for option. And here is the pressure strength adjustment. And the treatment time. The max treatment time is 60 minutes, okay? And the temperature for far infrared function and the eye massage function adjustment. After setting, press start. Okay, before the treatment, we should tie this deeper. We should operate like this. There are 3 sizes for the human body. Now we choose the smallest and then tie it. Okay. Okay, and next step we will install the jacket. We should operate like this. And then tie this silt to the right position for the human body. Okay, after adjusting this silt, we should setting the parameter on the screen, choosing the mode, and setting the pressure, and setting the treatment time, and the temperature for the silt, and start the eye massage function. Press start. Okay, you can see we can setting the eye massage function here, choosing the different modes